Featuring innovative Hydropass filter technology, Milwaukee Tool introduces the M12 brushed stick water pump, providing effortless pumping and best-in-class debris handling. The M12 brushed stick water pump features an 85 cm submersible aluminium barrel for reaching and pumping out in-ground trenches, storm drains and water meter boxes. Powered by the M12 battery platform, the pump allows for extremely quick setup and one-hand operation, freeing the user's other hand to direct the outflow, giving greater control and containing the mess. Equipped with Hydropass filter technology that shields against clogs, its 360-degree filter design allows water to enter from virtually every direction, maximizing flow and minimizing downtime. The M12 brushed stick water pump can effortlessly pump up to 34 liters per minute and delivers the power to push water farther with a 4.5 meter maximum head height. To keep you productive, this pump delivers up to 1,000 liters on a single charge. The M12 brushed stick water pump provides effortless pumping and best-in-class debris handling.
Milwaukee introduces the M12 Underbody Light, a solution to automotive lighting problems. Perform the job at hand with 1,200 lumens of true view high-definition output that provides full under-vehicle coverage and runs for over 5 hours on high and 15 hours on low with the M12 Red Lithium XC 4.0 battery. Adapt to the job with a magnetic base surface to attach to the lift or metal frame and a dual-jointed rotating arm that swivels 300 degrees horizontally and up to 180 degrees vertically for unmatched maneuverability and hands-free lighting. The M12 Underbody Light includes a 12-inch magnetic storage tray for holding loose nuts, bolts, and small tools. This durable light is built to survive the job. It is corrosion resistant to common chemicals found in the auto shop, plus has a drop rating of 6 feet and an IP54 rating. The M12 Underbody Light provides full coverage, all-day runtime, and the most adjustable lighting solution for your job.
Here at Rohr Manufacturing, we've been driving posts since 1997, and our ManSaver post driver works on more than just T-posts. The affordable, lightweight ManSaver post driver pounds posts by itself, saving your back and shoulders. This is our 99EY post driver, designed for chain link fence or up to 2 3/8 inch diameter post size. This tool weighs 34 pounds and drives 70 to 75 strokes per minute. This tool lives up to its name, doing the work so you don't have to, pounding the post into the ground effortlessly. It truly is the only tool at this price point with the best functionality available on the market today. And the Man-Saver Post Driver runs off a single, small, portable air compressor, making it the best ranch hand you'll ever hire. Proudly made in America. Find out more at fencepostdriver.com or call 1-800-980-7599.